Imagine Superman forgetting he can fly, or Pikachu standing in battle with no clue he can use Thunderbolt. That's your rep when a buyer asks about the latest product update and they don't even know it exists. Now flip it. AI pushes updates straight into the rep's workflow. No more 40-page release notes nobody reads. Spider-Man gets a real-time prompt mid-call. Integration speed reduced by 40% in last release. Mention this. Reps sound sharp, current, and credible. And Mario? He doesn't send outdated PDFs. With moksy.ai, he shares a live microsite where every feature is already updated for the buyer. Product ignorance kills trust. AI fixes it instantly. That's Sales Enablement 2.0. Subscribe now because the next pain point wastes even more time.